Electric vehicles are rapidly gaining popularity in the auto industry. In India, EVs are finding an expanding footprint with several automakers launching their respective products in the domestic EV market across different segments. While there are many tips available about how to charge your EV battery and get the best range out of it, here are some key tips about how not to charge the EV battery. Starting from the basics, make sure you don't overcharge your EV. Overcharging impacts the EV battery's health. Lithium-ion batteries found in the majority of EVs operate best in the 30 to 80% charge range. Continuously charging the battery to its full capacity is stressful on the battery. Always try to charge the battery to 80% to avoid overcharging. The second piece of advice is to never let your battery drain out completely as it impacts its health. Try recharging it when the charge is around 20%. Lithium-ion batteries prefer a partial cycle rather than a deep discharge or drain out. Keep the charge on until the battery is recharged to its 80%. This would also leave some room to store energy from regenerative braking, resulting in lower charging costs. A simple yet effective tip is to not charge your EV immediately after a ride, as it increases the thermal problem of the vehicle. Lithium-ion batteries produce immense heat while supplying power to the motor. Charging the battery after at least 30 minutes of cooling is always safe. Allow the battery to cool down for a few minutes before charging it. The final piece of advice is to not charge the battery too often, as it reduces the battery's lifespan. While the EV battery is bound to degrade naturally, charging it too often would accelerate the degradation process. It also impacts its performance and durability negatively. Charging should be minimized to prolong the battery life. The general rule of the thumb is to plug in and charge the battery whenever possible, but not every time you drive. Following these easy tips can extend the life of your EV battery and ensure a smoother and more efficient driving experience.